This is room 7563. There's a light. I think it's a light. Yeah. For as soon as you come in the room, oh wow, it's very bright. Now this is the one part that I love immensely. The closet. You have closet space. As soon as you walk in, there is room between me and the closet. We normally do Norwegian, and the closet is next to the bed. In the balcony room, you'd think you'd have more space. This is the second closet. Shoes, clothes, dirty clothes bag. And then this is kind of like a drawer space. I guess you can hang something up there. Stuff, 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 stuff. Overall, of course, you know, it's too much stuff. Nobody uses a blow dryer, but that's for that. This is another drawer for stuff. You know, pills and things. Bag of earrings. Bag of batteries. We started out in Orlando and rented a car, so you got your car charger and that kind of stuff. Then watches in here, watch carrying case. Jonathan bought some matches, his cigar lighter, and then his swimsuit stuff. Put that in. This is the last day of our cruise, so I'll be packing in a few minutes. There's a lot of space. So the counter, the mirror, little bitty TV, the safe that you use. It says you can use a driver's license. Now, my sister's from California, so on the back of their driver's license, and maybe in other, they have a strip like a credit card. I'm from Illinois. They don't have a strip. If they do, it must be invisible. But nonetheless, I kept my sunglasses here. Glasses. Of course, we didn't use a bottle. I bought some bottled water. This is a refrigerator. Oh, we got pop. I got a drink. A couple oranges we got from going to Princess Key. More storage. Plastic bags I like to have for to separate my dirty clothes from my clean clothes and my suitcase. Oh, this is something else for more stuff. Didn't use it. The bed. This and this part here is storage. Didn't need it. And I wonder, I don't know if that flips out or not. I'm not going to lie to you people. I'm not going to try and break my back and see. It's hard enough bending over and trying to pick it up with one hand. Garbage can. I like this. It's a lovely room. Very lovely. There's storage on the side. And this part was cool to us. There's not a sliding glass door, just a window and a door. Now, the one thing I really would have liked, and you see they used to have it at one time, you have the curtain, but there's not a sheer because you may not want all the sun, but it was obvious that they used to have something else here that they removed. Because sometimes you want to just open your curtain and then have your sheer that diffuses the light. So although the room isn't totally clean, because we're getting ready to pack to go home. This is a very nice and bright room. And I like the TV, or the TV channel, where you had different channels you could watch as opposed to just random shows that popped up, and I could watch my TV shows. One thing I will recommend, or one thing I realized, and I was lucky that I had a piece of duct tape. When I closed the curtain all the way, see, there's the duct tape. When you close the curtain all the way, it didn't come all the way to the end. And if you wanted to sleep in late, you couldn't. Well, you could, maybe if you had something on your eyes, but I didn't. So I would close the mirror, the curtain. So this is just my recommendation. My recommendation for anybody cruising. I used to recommend bringing a clip, like, one of these clips. If your curtain's met in the middle, you have a clip and you can clip it so the light wouldn't come in. But this one, it only pulls so far. So what I did, I realized this on day 2. Ta-da! You don't get any extra light in the room at 7 o'clock in the morning when the sun is really beaming and it wants to come out and let you know it's a brand new day. So that's my pro tip. Bring some tape. And it didn't pull anything off. I don't know what this is. And of course, you got to watch your step when you walk outside.